Hello friends, in this problem a semicircle is given and inside this semicircle we have a square. So O is the center of semicircle. So this point is the center of semicircle. OEDF is a square with area 5 unit. So OEDF, this square has a area of 5 unit. Then we have to find length BC. So this point is B and there is another point C on this periphery. So we have to find length of this chord, that is BC. So let us try to solve this problem. We know that area of a square is given by side length a square. So area of a square is side times side. Side length we can find from here. Area is given, so this square has area of 5 unit. So side is equals to a square root 5 unit. So now I know side length, this is equals to root 5. So this means OE or ED or DF or FO all are root 5 unit because this is a square. In a square we know diagonal length. So diagonal is root 2 times side length. So diagonal DO or diagonal EF, this is equals to root 2 times side length and side length is root 5. So root 2 times root 5, that is root 10. So this length is basically equals to root 10 and this length is also radius of this semicircle because from point O this is radius, this is diagonal, this is also radius. So now I know radius of this semicircle, that is DO is equals to OB and this is also equals to OA, which is equals to radius, and radius of this semicircle is root 10 unit. So this length is root 10. Now let us consider triangle EOB. This is a right angle triangle. So I can use Pythagoras theorem. So if I use Pythagoras theorem, we can find length BE. So BE is equals to root over a square of this and a square of this. That is root over BO a square plus EO a square. So this is from Pythagoras theorem. So BO is how much? This is root 10. So a square of this is 10. So BO a square is 10. And EO a square is 5. So this is BE is equals to root 15 unit. So now I know this length, but we have to find this total length. So we have to calculate length EC. So what is length EC? Now to calculate length EC, I will use one theorem from circle. So let us say I have this circle and inside this circle two chords are there. This is AB and this is another chord CD and they intersect at point O. This is not necessarily center, this can be any point. Then this theorem says AO times OB, that is this segment times this segment, is equals to CO, that is this segment times OD, that is CO times OD. So now let us apply this theorem for the present problem. So this is the situation. I have extended this semicircle as a full circle. So now I can say EH times EZ. So this is, let us consider this as one chord and this is another chord. So EH is this distance. So this times this is equals to this times this. That is EH times EZ is equals to EC times EB. What is EH? EH distance is, this total distance is root 10. So radius is root 10 and this distance is root 5. So this is radius minus this, which is equals to EH. So EH is root 10 minus root 5. What is this distance? That is EZ. EZ is equals to, this is radius plus side length, that is root 10 is this distance and root 5 is this distance. So root 10 plus root 5. So we calculated this distance, we calculated this distance. Now we have to calculate EB. We have already calculated this. So EB is equals to a square of this and a square of this, and take a square root, that is 5 plus 10, and then a square root, this is root 15. So this distance is known. So we can calculate this distance EC. So let us plug all these value in this equation. EH is root 10 minus root 5, that is this distance. EZ is root 10 plus root 5. So this is root 10 plus root 5. So there should be a plus sign. So there is a mistake. So this is plus. Is equals to EC times EB. EB is root 15. Now this is A minus B and this is A plus B. Remember, this is plus sign. So this is A plus B. So A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square. A square will be root 10 square is 10 and root 5 square is 5. So this is 10 minus 5. And this is equals to EC times root 15. So EC is how much? This is 5 divided by root 15. And that is root 5 by 3. So we know EC, but we have to calculate BC. So BC is BE plus EC. And we already calculated BE, that is root 15, and EC we just calculated, that is root 5 by 3. So if you simplify, you take root 3 as LCM, then this will be root 5 and this will be root 45. So root 5 plus root 45 by root 3. So if you further simplify, BC will be, this will be root 5 plus 3 root 5, because you can take 3 outside, 9 into 5 is 45 and root of 9 is 3. So 3 root 5, so 3 root 5 plus root 5, that is 4 root 5 divided by root 3. So this is length BC. So I hope you enjoyed this problem, and if you enjoy my videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.